Hello, I'm in a 2007 Jeep Liberty, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So first you'll open the hood and turn the vehicle off, and then this will be your dipstick that you'll pull out. You pull it all the way out, and then wipe it clean with a good rag or a paper towel, and then you stick this all the way back in where we just pulled it out, and then you'll pull this out one more time, and at that point you can check the end. See there, if you can read it, there's an add and a safe on that grid. So if you're in the add range there towards the right side, you'll definitely want to get some added. And then if you're on the left side where those little X grids are, then you should be fine. But see if I can do this with one hand. Stick this back in once you've checked it. Stick this all the way back in, and once it's in, you can add your new oil here. This would be the cap you unscrew. Make sure you've got the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. Try not to mix and match if you can help it. But from here, you unscrew that, and either with a funnel or directly from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try your best not to overfill. But once you've got that added, screw this on nice and tight. And then at that point, I would turn the vehicle on for 10-20 seconds so that new oil can circulate through the motor, and then turn the vehicle off again. And at that point, then I would check that dipstick again for your new oil level. See if you're towards that full mark now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which, depending on the type of oil in your motor, do between like 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so, give or take. Especially as the vehicle gets the higher mileage, you might want to do it more often. But to do those, you typically put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath to the oil pan, at which point you pull the oil plug to drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw that oil plug back in nice and tight, and then from that same cap here is where you'd add the recommended oil for your particular motor. Screw that on tight again, and then start the car for 10-20 seconds again to circulate that new oil. Turn it off, and as we did in the very beginning with that dipstick, we'll pull that out, wipe it clean, stick it back in, and pull it out to check our new level, see if we're in that full mark. But all that said, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.